What's happening YouTube, and welcome back to the Tap Into Plumbers channel. Now today we're going to be showing you how to change over a thermostatic shower bar. So here's the shower bar that we're going to be swapping over. It's quite a simple job to do. It's literally two nuts. I'm going to change the collars over as well and connect the original hose back up. Basically the thermostat's gone inside of it. You can change these thermostats, but the customer said you might as well just put a new one in, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. So first things first, let's get the water off. So as always, they're always in the weirdest places. I don't think you can really see that. Oh, there it is. I'll put it in there, you'll see it. And there she is. So we've got that all switched off. So the first thing you want to check is make sure that the water is off. So go to the kitchen tap and turn on your cold water. That's all drained off now, so let's go back upstairs and get the shower bar off the wall. So as I said, always make sure that the water is completely shut off, and always test the taps to make sure that there's no more water running through it, and you should be safe to work on the system. The first thing we want to do is undo this hose. Now you should be able to do it with just your hand, but sometimes you can't. So that's the easy bit done. So now with your adjustable spanner, get it to the right size. It's a little bit tight in this shower. Let's get in here. What you want to do is open the jaws up, just like so, and adjust them and undo the nuts, both sides. Once you've loosened them off, you shouldn't need this anymore. You should be able to do it with your hand. So let me just pop this back down here. Now, as you can see, it's easy now. Drop that down. And there you have it. One shower bar off the wall. Put that to one side. Got a brand new one there. The next thing you want to do is get these collars off. It's probably a push fit fitting behind there, and that's why they're moving, because that's too easy to move. I need to get something on there so I can do that. Undo that one. So now that you've got the collars off, get your new ones out and simply these were a little bit of a pain, these ones, because the pipe's moving behind. Here we go. Got there in the end. Just simply screw them on. Do exactly the same to the other side. So now that we've got our shiny new shower bar, the next thing to do is to put the washers in. And they look like that. So now that we've got the washers in, you literally just push them in. You now need to put the shower bar on. So I've literally hand tightened them up, just like so. It's all reverse. The way that you've done it, taking it off, is the opposite of putting it on. So now that they're all hand tight, what we want to do is get our adjustable spanner now. And simply just nip them up. Don't over tighten these because they will leak. So just a little nip up. And that is it. Connect your hose up. Let's get that back on. And that should be it. Now we need to turn the water back on and test it. Let's get the water back on. Alright, we're looking good. What you want to check is the nuts underneath, just to make sure that they're not dripping anywhere. And they're not. So now let's test it. I hate these heads. So rubbish. So there you have one working shower bar. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you on the next plumbing video. Thanks for watching.